Hi, wonderful STAR group. I have some news for you. We will not be having our STAR class today because I have a meeting at this exact same time. So I would like you to go ahead and check your grades in Schoology. I'd like you to ask me with email or you can use my Google Voice phone number. Ask me any questions that you have or things you're wondering about. I can still help you. I just cannot be in the Zoom with you right now. My Google Voice phone number is 651-317-9824. And I will see you all on Friday in our normal Zoom. If you'd like a musical version of this message, keep watching. If you've got it, see you later. We don't have STAR today. You can go outside and play right now. See you Friday. We'll have STAR. I hope you have a great week. Again, let me know what questions you have about your school life, your life. Hope you're doing well. And I will see you back in our regular STAR on Friday. See ya.